day, everyone. Thank you for coming into this live signals with Precise Trader. Okay, today is 14th February, and do take note of the risk disclosure. Day trading in foreign exchange is risky past results are not indicative of future returns. Content on this webinar is mainly educational purpose. Use the information entirely at your own risk, and you must assess the risk of your trade with your broker before you put in your trades. So with that, we move on to our live analysis. Okay, the key data that is going to be out today. Okay, let me see. Okay, the key data that is going to be out today is I think we only have from the US at 2130 core retail sales, and after that I think we don't have any data. Okay, so let's move on to our live analysis. Okay, here okay, the euro dollar. So if you look into the euro dollar, okay, right now this is the trend is flat with an upside view. Daily is flat with an upside view. Weekly this is an uptrend. Okay, so basically we should be going for a buy and hold or cautious buy as long as the price is trading above 104.45. But on the other hand, I think this is also reaching the critical levels for a turn. So we have to take note that okay, this euro dollar right now this is flat. Okay, daily is showing up on the PT zones, and we have a strong resistance at SR1 on the main anywhere before 105.35. So that's the thing we have to take note. So we got to see that whether the price is turning before 105.35. Okay, now the next thing is when we go into the dashboard. Okay, we go into the dashboard. Right now this market is trading at 104.70, and what we feel is okay, we should be trying to sell near 105.05 or 105.20. Okay, and on the other hand, if we see the price breaking 420 and 405, okay, we we can confirm that the high is already seen. So which means to say that now this market has to be a very cautious pay. That means either we try to sell near 105.05 and hold, or expect the price to go lower from here. Then but of course for confirmation we need to see the price 104.20 break. So let's go into the chart. Then okay, we see okay, as of now what we are seeing is okay, market is trading near the resistance. There is a likely chance that it can turn from here, or we can go up high one more time, then market may turn down. Okay, so what we are expecting is okay, before 5:30 this market should be turning, but the problem is whether now is going to turn or we got to wait until this 5:30. That is where the tricky part is. So what we'll try to do is we'll try to go for a sell, cautious sell now. If this is the high, then of course we should see the price moving lower, but if this is not the high, then we should see the price moving one more time higher. So as of now we look into the signals. Okay, we are trying to sell one at 105.10. Okay, that is wait for it, and also we have sold at 104.60. Okay, with a very tight stop, and try to see whether this market is turning from here. So I think this trade is both valid. So this is a bit risky trade, and this is a comfortable trade, but you must understand that sometimes if you're not sure, then probably we got to get ourselves to be in the using the opportunity. The next trade we are going to look for is pound. Okay, the pound, the trend is flat with an upside view. Daily is flat with an upside view. Weekly is also uptrend. So this is also in a similar picture. Okay, but the only thing is, I think the market should turn. Right now, this is trading above 12550. So maybe it should turn at 12570 or a bit higher. So again, this is also in a similar situation, so we'll try. So I think we can go for a weekly, okay, monthly level for some guidance. That means how far it can go up. So if we look into this, uh, okay, I think the weekly for pound is we are we are looking for about 12630. Okay, so that means the market should turn before 12630. Okay, so again the same similar situation, it can turn from here or it can reach 12605, 12630, then this market can turn. But another clue we can get whether the market is turned is once it breaks 12520, then we can be pretty sure that the high is already been seen and we can expect this price to move lower. So here again, when we look into, okay, we look into the chart. Okay, this is also in a similar situation. So chances are it can turn from here, or we can see the price turning at 12630. So we can go one selling from here, okay, selling from here, then we can see, okay, we can see the price turning from here or slightly higher. Okay, so similar situation, I think we are trying to sell at 12560, which we have already sold. We are trying to see that this market is going to turn from here. Then the next one, we have a call to sell at 12630 on the swing trading, so which is also a viable trade. So let's move on to the next currency. Okay, the next one we are looking at is dollar yen. Okay, dollar yen, the trend right now, this is flat with a downside view on the hourly, flat with an upside view on the daily, flat with a downside view on the weekly. Okay, and monthly, this is already in a downtrend. Okay, so the range we are looking at is 152.45 and 153.35. So we should be looking to sell somewhere near 153.35. So right now the market is trading at 152.80. Daily, this is already into a selling mode. Weekly is also trying to come down to the selling mode. So we should be looking to go for a cautious sell or sell and hold. So looking at the dashboard right now, the current high is 15315. Previous day high is 15465, so which is very far, and current low is lower than your previous day low, which means to say that, okay, if that low breaks, then we can see the price moving lower. So where can we sell? We try to sell at 15305, okay, or 15340 or 50. I think that should be our selling level. Okay, 15330, 40 and 15305. But of course, the market may have seen the high. If it has seen the high, then we should also start to sell now at the market. Okay, so let's see the chart. Okay, right now, if you look into the dollar yen, okay, previously it had a pullback, and now if you look into this, okay, looks like most likely we may have seen the correction over. okay, because right now this 15 minute is coming out, but of course this is a 50-50 chance. So what we can do is we can try to go for a sell near 95, then try to exit at 225. Okay, 225 comfort what conservative level, but of course that 152 40 45 has to break. Then we can go for another sell at 153 30 35. So we can have two orders based on this. So we have tried to sell at 15305. So that one I think we got to lower it to 295. The one I think we'll put a stop at 325. Okay, and 15225. Okay, and this is until 2 hours. Okay, we give another 2 hours. Okay, then we are trying to sell at 30. Okay, 30, that's a one lot, and this is a half lot. Okay, so we have two orders working on it. I think both are good and valid. Okay, let's move on to the next currency. Okay, the next currency we are looking at dollar Swiss. The trend is right now this is flat with the downside view. Daily is flat with the downside view. Weekly is flat with the downside view. Okay, so this one we got to see that this market is in a down move. Okay, so we try to sell near 90.65 or better, and hold and expect this 90.25 to break, and expect the price to move lower. So when we look into the daily, okay, this daily it says right now this is trading at 90.40, so try to sell at 90.65 or 90.85, and daily is already into the selling mode, so I think we should be holding sell and try to see the price breaks the lower. So where we can sell based on the system, we can try to sell at 90.70 or 90.85. Okay, then exit before 90 figure. Okay, because 90 figure is where your previous week low and current month low. Of course, if that level breaks, then we can see the price moving lower. Otherwise, it is going to be in a range, and still, waiting for the break. So let's see the next the chart for this to give us the confirmation. So looking at the chart for dollar Swiss, okay, this is similar to the euro. Okay, this is similar to the euro. Okay, just give me a minute. This is similar to euro. Either the high may be have seen. Sorry, this is euros. Sorry. Okay, sorry. So this is already going down, so we should be waiting to see some pullback, and the pullback should be somewhere near 90.65. Okay, just give me 1 minute. Okay, so here we feel some pullback to be seen, so we'll try to sell at 90.65 or 90.85. Okay, then expect the 90 figure to be tested, and if it breaks, then we can see the price moving lower. Okay, so based on this, I think we have given a sell at 90.85. Okay, so we don't want to go very fast. So I think we'll rather wait to see whether the price breaks. And the TP is 90 figure. Okay, I think this is also a acceptable level. So the next one we are looking for is Aussie dollar. Aussie dollar, this is a flat with an upside view on the 6 hours. Daily is flat with the upside view. Weekly, this is an uptrend. So expect the price to move higher beyond 6330, because this is where it's going to be a make or break scenario. That means if it breaks, then it can go higher. If it fails, then probably we can see the price turning down. So right now this is trading at critical levels. So again, we should be looking for a cautious buy or a cautious sell, because the high is yet to be seen. So looking at the dashboard, so we'll try to sell near 63 half. Your current week high is 30, so if it breaks, then either it may fail or it may turn before that level. So we got to be a bit careful on this. So either we try to sell at 63, 60 or 70, and a confirmation of a turn should be the price going below 63, 63 or 62.90. Then we know that the high is already been seen. So again, we go into the chart. Okay, we look into Aussie. So this is also in a similar picture. So I don't want to sell now. So probably I'll try to sell near higher, which means to say 63. Okay, 63.50 or about 50.55, or even higher, which is 70. 70 was the system. So let's see. So we are trying to sell at 63.80. Okay, so we don't want to enter before that, and we also have a 64.20. So I think that is fine. We should be trying to sell at 70 or 80. So as of now, I think we are not very keen to go for a trade now. Sorry. Okay, the next one we are looking at dollar CAD. Okay, the dollar CAD looks like it's already breaking the previous low, which is 141.80, and this is down on the daily and weekly, so we should be holding sell. But this, since it's trading at critical levels, so sometimes it can be a make or break scenario. So if it breaks, it may continue lower. If it fails, then we should see a pullback towards 142.65. So what we can do is we can try to sell near 142.60. Okay, that is what we should be trying to do. Okay, so here I think the weekly is already down, monthly is all down, so this is we should be trying to go for a sell near 142.65. So since 142.65, I think we can try to sell at 42.30, then exit at 141.30 if your 141.75 breaks. Okay, so that is what the system is telling us. Okay, let's see. Okay, market is deeply oversold, so expect some pullback to happen. So this pullback, I think 142.30, just now we wanted to sell. So this is 60.30. Okay, 30 should be, somewhere the 120 high. So here what we can do is like as I said, go for a sell at 142.30. Okay, 142.30, and 142.65 and 141.30, and the condition is that we have to see the price breaking the 141.70 75, which is the low. So but I think on the other hand, if we see 141.30, probably we can go for a quick buy, since this market is already started moving on, lower. So that would be, I think it's too early to give us the signal now. Maybe we'll try to do it in the next time belt, okay, in between, because since this is in a downtrend, so we may see the price even moving lower, okay. So I think we would rather wait for the next time belt to take note. Okay, the next signal we are looking at, the next currency we are looking at is New Zealand dollar. New Zealand dollar is flat with an upside view. Daily is an uptrend. Weekly, this is flat. Okay, the critical level we need to pay attention is 57.25. So if it breaks, then we can see the price moving higher. Otherwise, it may fail near that level, or before that level, or after that level. So as of now, this is trading at 56.90. So this is going to be like a make or break on the monthly, so we got to be a bit careful. So looking at this, most likely I think we should be looking to sell near 57.30. Okay, 57.30, and I don't want to go for a buy because this is also trading near critical levels. So I will just wait and see the chart for confirmation. Okay, so when we look into the chart, I think okay, this is 57 and 57.40. Okay, 57.40 should be the level. Okay, then we can expect this market to turn anywhere before that. So I don't want to go for a buy because this is at the top of the range. So I would rather wait to sell either higher, or wait, and I don't want to push myself to go for a sell. So here, let me see the chart. Okay, I think I want to go for a sell at 57.40. Okay, we have not given any signal, so we can go for a sell at 57.40. Okay, we don't have any signal on New Zealand. 70 and 56.85. Okay, 85 or 90 should be the level. So I think this one we will give until the next time belt, but actually we can give 2 more time belt, but I think if we need to change, then we can change in the next session. Okay, revise the level. Okay, the next one we're looking at is dollar Sing. Okay, dollar Sing, this is flat with the downside view on the hourly, and daily we are seeing flat with the downside view. Weekly, this is in a downtrend. Okay, so so we should be looking to go for a cautious sell or sell and hold near 35.05, and we should see the price breaking the 34.05 or not. So if it doesn't, then it's going to be in a range. Then we try to play the range game. So right now, market is trading at 34.40. Okay, we should see. Remember, I said I want to sell near 135.05. Okay, so selling level we can say 35 or 3460. Okay, these are the two levels since before 135.05. Then expect the price to hold at 134.10, but if it breaks, then of course we can see the price lower. Otherwise, this is going to be in a range. Okay, looking at the chart, okay, right now this is trying to hit, and I think our final target should be somewhere 3360. So we'll try to sell at 3460, 3410. If higher, then we will see 35 also. Okay, so that should be your level. So 3460 or 70. Yeah? 70 is your previous support. Okay, so here we are going to go for a sell. $34.70, 35 and 34.10. Okay, so this one we want to give until the next time band. Okay, so I think that's about it. Then finally we come into gold. Okay, gold. Okay, let's look into gold. Okay, gold. We are seeing the weekly. This is still in an uptrend. Daily is flat with an upside view. Hourly is flat with an upside view. So, but the range we are looking at is somewhere between 2923 half and 2929 half. Okay, so now if you look into the PT zones, okay, this hourly, this is already going into the selling zone. Okay, this is already selling zone. So we may go for a cautious sell, or we try to go for a buy. I think we should be further level, because the market looks like, okay, it may have topped, or it is turning from here. Okay, now what we can see from the dashboard. Okay, market today's high is 2934. Okay, and current week high is 2943. Okay, so that means today's high is lower than the current week high, and today's high is higher than yesterday's high. So there is a bit mixed signals here. So what we can expect is, I mean, of course we got to look into the chart for confirmation, but once the price goes below 21 half, okay, 21 half, we can confirm that the most likely that 34 should be the top. Okay, so we should be looking for a cautious sell near 34. So where we can sell, we can try to sell near 31 half or 28 half or 31 half and stop above 35, and wait to see whether your 21 breaks. 21 breaks, then we can see the price moving towards 16 or lower. Okay, so now when we look into the chart, okay, we look into the chart, we see there is a probability. Okay, there is a probability that the high may be confirmed. Okay, because because right now we are seeing some weakness, but of course the confirmation is yet to be seen. So we need to see the price break 22 or 21. So if it breaks, then we can be pretty sure that this is going to be the high, and we should see the price moving lower, and this is going to be a registered high. So as of now, it's a 50-50 chance that we may have seen the high, but we need to see that 22 breaks, 22 or 23 break. So if it breaks, then we can be pretty sure that this is going to be a temporary high, and we should see the price moving lower before the next phase up. So be a bit careful on gold. Okay, we were saying all this while 3,000. Okay, in fact yesterday also I was mentioning that, but right now this market looks a bit tricky, and we should see, I mean, if the 22 breaks, then we can see for sure that the high 22.21 breaks, then we can see that this is going to be a temporary high. Then this market should come down and test this low again. If this low breaks, then of course we can see the price moving lower. So how we can trade this? We can go for a sell at 30 or 28 half. Okay, 28 half, and put a stop above 32. Okay, 32. Then wait for this low to break. If it breaks, then we should see between 16 or 13. Okay, 13 or for 15, yeah. So that should be our trade call. So what we can do is, I think we have given a sell at 29. Okay, 29. So I think the one we want to lower it to 28 and 32 half and 2915. Okay, so this should be until 2 o'clock. Okay, then we can go for another sell. Thirty-one, 2931, stop 35.5, and this one I think we can go for a lower target, which is 2910. Okay, 10. Okay, this one I think we can go one lot, and this one we give it until 5 o'clock. Okay, so we are trying. Okay, now what we are betting is we may have seen the high, temporary high on the gold. So we got to be a bit careful. Try to hold the trade to see whether we can do it. Okay, so that is about it. And let me see, for those people who came in late, okay, you may want to take a screenshot. And this is, we are doing momentum and daily today. Okay, we don't have any scalping today, so we are trying to do momentum and thing. Just give me a minute. Yeah, I think that's about it. Then I'll see you again in another 5 hours. Okay. Okay. Thank you.